Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hard candy with corn syrup. First, let's gather our essential tools and ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1 cup of water. Also, have your favorite flavorings and food coloring ready. A good candy thermometer and a sturdy saucepan are absolutely crucial for success. Now let's get cooking. Combine the 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, and 1 cup of water in your heavy saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and increase the heat. Let it boil until your candy thermometer reads exactly 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. The moment your candy reaches 295 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. This is where the magic happens. Quickly and carefully stir in your desired flavorings and a few drops of food coloring. Work swiftly, then pour the extremely hot candy mixture onto a greased baking sheet or a silicone mat. Be very cautious, as the syrup is incredibly hot. Now for the final steps. Let your candy cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes or until it's completely firm and brittle. Once fully hardened, you can easily break the large sheet into smaller, delightful, bite-sized pieces. To prevent your beautiful hard candies from sticking together, dust them lightly with a bit of powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade sweet treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.